No minimum spend credit cards. Definitely a very hot topic because I know what all of you want. You all want high returns, high cashback, high rewards, but you all don't want to have those complicated requirements like meeting minimum spend and specific categories. Am I right? So today I'll share about 3 card strategies that you can use for no minimum spend, and also they get significantly good rewards as well. But like I always said, you have to balance your expectations. With higher requirements will come higher rewards, and on the other hand, lower requirements like low minimum spend will get you lower rewards. That is a fact. But I know all these credit card strategies are really complicated, so if you want a comfortable environment to discuss such questions, come and join us at over 7,000 members Telegram group at Honey Money SG. So let's introduce the first contender first, which is HSBC Revolution Visa. And this has been quite a popular card among credit card enthusiasts because not only it rewards you for cashback, and it also rewards you for reward points, which can be converted to miles as well. And if you sign up with my referral link down below, not only you get the normal HSBC rewards, whereby you can get a Samsonite 69cm luggage, or $150 cashback, but you also get an additional $30 from SingSaver exclusively with my link. But the terms and conditions is you must spend $1,000 and provide your marketing consent. And even for existing customers, you will get $50 cashback if you hit the requirements. And coming back to the Revolution Visa card, how it works is that you have 1x base points and 9x bonus points on selected whitelisted categories, and these whitelisted categories are fairly common expenses in our daily lives, including spending on travel, dining, fast food, grocery spend, retail shops, online shopping, and even private hire vehicle or taxi rides. So you will receive 1x base points by the statement cycle, and then you will receive the bonus 9x points by the end of the following month if your spending is qualified as the whitelisted merchant category codes. And you can see that all these whitelisted merchant category codes are quite ingrained into our daily lives, right? We need to eat, we need to travel, we need to go for public transportation on private hire vehicles, but not simply go bus and MRT, alright? That is excluded. And once you have earned that 10x points, you can either convert to 4 miles per dollar, or you can use it as 2.5% cashback. But the most important reason why HSBC Revolution is superior is because of the HSBC Everyday Plus rewards, whereby you get an additional 1% cashback on top of what the credit card is already rewarding you when you qualify for the HSBC Everyday Plus, and that is closely linked to the HSBC Everyday Global account, whereby you have to deposit $2,000 monthly plus make 5 transactions either on your credit card or your bank account outflow. So you see the end reward of the HSBC Revolution Visa, it can be a 4 miles per dollar plus a 1% cashback rewards card, and it is definitely one of my top recommended cards for no minimum spend and good card for beginners to get use of it. Hey, I know some of you are thinking that these credit card terms and conditions do so much work. Why not I just invest the right amount of money in the equities market? Then you got it. My sponsor has this amazing offer. See what I told you? This company finally woke up. Because now, when you sign up with Weibo Singapore, you can win a total of 6 to 40 free shares from companies like Tesla, Apple, Microsoft, or Google. And each share is worth from 3 to 1,000 US dollars. So now, in order to qualify, you need to deposit at least $100 and hold the deposit for 30 days without any withdrawals. Don't worry, there are no trade requirements this time. But one new feature from Weibo is now you can do the regular savings plan, where you can finally automate your investments and use your time wisely on other interesting stuff. You will also get one lucky draw ticket where you can win $888 weekly, and even get a chance to drive away with a Tesla Model 3 as the grand prize lucky draw winner. So wait no more, use my referral link down below or scan the QR code right here to get your Weibo account today. Next contender is the Standard Chartered Smart Visa credit card, and this card has been fairly popular because of the fairly good sign-up rewards, whereby you can get $300 of cash from SingSaver if you use my referral link and apply, and then you hit the minimum spend of $500 within 30 days of card approval. So how the cashback reward system works for Standard Chartered Smart Visa card is that you have 1.6 base Standard Chartered 360 reward points, and you have 17.6 bonus points from the eligible whitelisted categories. And what are the whitelisted categories? We are looking at fast food restaurants like KFC, McDonald's, coffee and toast places like Ya-Kun and Toastbox, digital subscriptions like Netflix, Spotify, YouTube and Disney Plus, and even your daily commute, which is your public transportation, bus and MRT rides. So once you have transacted on this qualified spend, you will receive 1.6 base points, and the following 17.6 bonus points will come in the following statement month. Altogether, you will receive 19.2 reward points for $1 of spend, which is equivalent to 6% cashback. How to calculate 6% cashback? If you go to the Standard Chartered online rewards portal, 3,200 points is equivalent to $10 cashback. So once you have accumulated that 3,200 points, then you can redeem that $10 cashback, which will offset the outstanding balance on the Smart Visa card. And I know that 6% is a fairly high cashback rate, but you see the disadvantage is that it's only on this very specific merchants, not only by MCC but on the brand name itself. So if like you're spending on other fast food like Texas Chicken or Popeye's Fried Chicken, all these are not eligible for 19.2 reward points per dollar or 6% cashback, because it needs to be the correct brand, which is like McDonald's or KFC, then you get the points, not other fast food restaurants. So I would say that the terms and conditions of the Smart Visa card is very transparent and very clear. As long as you're spending on this specific brand of merchants, you will get 19.2 points eventually. But anything outside of these merchants, you will only get the base 1.6 points and not the 17.6 bonus points. So my final contender today is Instagram Amaze. And I know what some of you are thinking already. You all must be thinking, this Honey Money SG is here again to push Instagram Amaze plus City Rewards stacking method, right? Wrong. Even though the City Rewards can also be paired with Amaze as a cashback or miles strategy, but I'm not going to talk about that today because that strategy, I already talked about it many times already. I want to talk about something else, because from now till 30th of June 2023, Amaze is running a promotion whereby if you use the Amaze wallet to transact, you will receive 4x Insta points, which is equivalent to 4% cashback. How it works is that you have to top up your Amaze wallet, and to top up your Amaze wallet, you can use any credit card, but of course, MasterCard is preferred because there are no top-up fees for MasterCard. Then once you have top up the Amaze wallet, either use your Amaze physical card or Amaze card stored within your Google Pay, and make sure the linkage is to your Amaze wallet for source of payment. Then you can transact it using the physical card or the Google Pay mobile wallet. The minimum transaction amount to earn Insta points is 10 Singapore dollars or equivalent. So it can be either local or foreign currency. As long as it is above 10 Singapore dollars, you will earn 4% Insta points back. Then there is also a maximum point because each transaction has a cap of 500 Insta points as a reward. So if you use 4x Insta points as the denominator, you are looking at a maximum of 125 Singapore dollars equivalent per transaction. And you can see from my example that my $29.50 transaction earned a total of 116 Insta points, which is equivalent to a 4% cashback. Then some of you will ask how to even redeem all these Insta points, because the minimum redemption amount is 2,000 Insta points, where it can be converted to 20 Singapore dollars of cash into your Amaze wallet. So to earn 2,000 points on a 4x Insta points means that you need to spend 500 Singapore dollars, and you have to see for yourself, are you able to spend $500 by the end of this month so that you can at least redeem $20? And let me remind you that this 4x Insta Points promotion is eligible for both local currency SGD spend and foreign currency spend. So you see, you can now use it on your local retail purchases, your local dining purchases, as long as they are within $10 and $125 transaction amount. So is there a minimum qualifying spend? No, you don't need to meet like $500 to get 4% cashback. But is there a minimum transaction spend? Yes, you need at least $10 to earn Insta points. And you must have realized that my $29.50 transaction is a foreign currency. And in fact, it's a 100 Malaysian Ringgit transaction from Lazada. And I know a lot of you have complained about Amaze exchange rates being really poor. But if you do the conversion, 100 Malaysian Ringgit is equal to $29.50 Singapore dollars. That's an exchange rate of 3.39, which is 0.3% markup from the spot rate. Did you realize what a good exchange rate is that? Maybe it is even comparable to Trust Bank. So if you want to see my number proven statistics to find out what is the best card to use for overseas travel, definitely check out my previous video right here.